How to open Touch and Go Ewallet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to open Touch and Go Ewallet. So first of all, what you need to do is open up Google Chrome on your mobile device and then search for Touch and Go Ewallet. So once you've done that, now click on the first link that appears in the search results. Now you need to scroll down the page to find information about Touch and Go Ewallet. Then click on Login. Use the latest version of the Touch and Go Ewallet app to scan the provided QR code. Once scanned, you will be registered for Touch and Go Ewallet. So that is exactly how to open Touch and Go Ewallet. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.